That was new. Are you doing a split right now? That has to hurt. Oh, yeah. I can imagine. Oh. Trial and error, buddy. I know, but you're tough. You can take it. Come on. Yeah. Look at you. All right. Hey. Now you're doing a great job. Hey, buddy. Hey. Great job, sweetheart. Great job. Good job. Good job. Yay. Hey, look at me. I'm congratulating you for doing a good job. Whoop.